SlyMedia TV, building bridges.
Relating to the 2023 elections, as the convener and chairperson of the Saviour Kasukurwere presidential campaign, where he is running as an independent candidate. Dr. Mzembi is my name. We have noted the unwarranted utterances by the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, Mrs. Virginia Mabiza, in the Herald of Even Debt, in which she tries to resurrect two archival warrants of arrest issued during the now concluded criminal trials of President Kasukurwere. President Kasukurwere respects the Constitution and at any given time has always made himself available to the courts to answer any charges leveled against him. No amount of threats or intimidation will deter him from his impending travel to Harare. I will repeat this for emphasis. No amount of threats or intimidation will deter him from his impending travel to Harare. For the avoidance of doubt, the charges related to the warrants of arrest against President Kasukurwere were quashed by the High Court in its judgment number HH 562/19, which the state has not appealed against. We call upon all Zimbabweans to ignore these attempts to weaponize the criminal justice system by creating the public perception that President Kasukurwere is a fugitive from justice. After his charges were quashed, President Kasukurwere's bail conditions fell away. His bail deposit was reimbursed, and the High Court ordered the state to release his title deeds, which order the state is in contempt of to this day. The passport which Mrs. Mabiza refers to expired and was subsequently renewed by the very same state without incident. We call upon the region and the international community to record this unprovoked intimidation of an electoral candidate and competitor, which has the net effect of discrediting the election before it has even begun. Zimbabwe belongs to us all. Zimbabwe ngetu sonke. Zimbabwe ndedu tose. God bless Zimbabwe.
SlyMedia TV, building bridges.